Mabuhay mga ka-mix and match, muli itong inyong likod, host Randy, at kasama po natin ang isang beauty queen na si Miss.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicole Angel, known as Angel Gracias.
Yes. Saan yung mga sinalihan mong mga beauty contest?
Well, there are different types of beauty pageant that I've joined, but recently I've joined the Runway Model Universe 2025.
Yes,
Yeah.
2025. Saan yung ginanap?
In Manila.
In Manila. So, kumusta naman yung competition mo doon?
It was enjoyable.
Na,
And exciting din siya.
ikaw yung nag-ground?
No, I was third runner-up.
Yes, third runner-up kayo doon. So, ano yung type ng pageant na yon? Mismong parang binibining Pilipina
Hindi
siya?
siya beauty pageant. We promote the sustainability of the environment
So-
through runway fashion show. Because
So
we are
really?
promoting to upcycling the clothes. You know, bukod sa recycling, meron kaming upcycling. There are
Ano yung kakaiba ng upcycling at saka recycling?
yung upcycling kasi, for example, we did the Okay Okay challenge.
Okay,
Yeah,
challenge.
worth 500 pesos. And kunwari, nag-shop ka ng t-shirt from the Okay Okay, then we need to remake it from the same cloth. Hindi tulad nung sa recycle.
Na,
Like yung mga bottles, 'di ba? Same lang rin sila.
oo.
Pero
So,
yung upcycling kasi, tina-transform namin siya into different style.
So yun yung kaibahan. So yun yung yun yung nilabanan mo last 2020,
2025.
2025. Then sa mga how about mga municipality pageant? Have you joined na din long ago or hindi pa?
Nung 2023, Binibining Sunduan, Dasmariñas.
Then how's your competition in Binibining Dasmariñas?
It was my first time joining that time and very unexpected siya kasi 60 candidates kami noon. So sabi ko kay Ma'am, we are too much. Parang alam yon.
Hindi ka confident.
Oo, they are very beautiful ladies and then unexpectedly ako yung nag-crown. Sabi nga nila,
Wow.
expect the unexpected.
Yes. Kasi marami kasing ganyan. Di ba din nung nakaraan si Miss Silang Cavite, di ba? Parang first time din niya ng ganung pageant tapos siya din nag-crown. So, kumusta naman yung feeling na ang dami mong napataob na mga veterana?
Na-shock. Nung tinawag yung candidate number 30, tapos kailangan pa ako i-nudge nung, uy, tawag ka! Tapos tsaka na lang ako tumayo nun.
Kasi di ba, hindi naman kasi natin ma-expect minsan na yung ganun bigla mag-sink in na, tunay ba to? Ako ba yung nanalo, di ba? So, di ba, so since nanalo ka noon, so ano naman yung kasunod noon na nanalo ka sa Binibining Dasmariñas? Ano na yung next level mo dapat doon?
I was planning to join Miss Grand or Miss Universe after I graduate from my college.
Wow. So ano ba yung tintake mong ngayon, college? Kasi napaka-stricto naman ata na hindi ka pwede mag-join.
MedTech, Medical Technology sa Lasal.
Ay, yun yung doktor?
Maganda na ako.
So, maganda naman kasi na may degree holder ka muna bago ka sumali kasi 'di ba yung mga usually iba ngayon puro talaga mga degree holder talaga sila muna bago sila sumali ng mga beauty pageant ng mga national level. So ngayon naman ang ginawa mo is 'di ba kailan yung inofferan ka na mag-national level?
Recently lang rin.
Recently.
Dalawa sila eh. Pero sabi ko, wait, kalma. Isa lang muna yung kaya kong gawin right now. So yung Elegante World International.
So yun muna.
Please like and follow our page, the Elegante World International Philippines.
Yes. So social media accounts mo para ma-follow din natin mga followers. Yan. Salamat po at napaunlakan niyo po ako. Live interview with host Randy. Dito lang yan sa Mix and Match from EuroTV Philippines. Mabuhay!